Welcome back guys! OnePlus has released the latest OxygenOS 13.1 update for the 9 and 9 Pro. It carries the name EX01 and I have installed it for you to see if they have managed to clear the old bugs. Unfortunately, it does not seem to fix any of them, and instead it also introduced a bunch of new bugs this time that really make it difficult to use the phone. This is a clear sign that I have to jump ship and come back to Samsung, as they seem to have the smoothest and bug-free experience from all the Android devices I have tested. Stay tuned as I will soon post the camera, photo and video quality comparison and also the software comparison of the newest flagship Android phones released. But let's now focus on the purpose of this video, and I will show you what bugs to expect from this latest OxygenOS 13.1 update. I have downloaded the update by using the Oxygen Updater app, and you can follow next steps to install it. After downloading it, you need to go to Phone Settings, go to System Updates, tap on it, and like it says on the screen, tap the top right button and select Local Install. Select the downloaded zip file and tap on Upgrade Now. The installation should now start. For all of these steps to work, make sure you have the developer options enabled by tapping the build number 7 times in the About Device version menu. It will take a while to install, but after the device has finished optimizing its apps, the update has been successfully installed. To check current installed version, you need to go to Settings, About Phone and check the OxygenOS version. The first and most annoying bug of this OxygenOS release is the fact that sometimes when a call is received, you cannot see who is calling as the screen stays black, and the only way to see who it is to end the call using the power button, and then it will show you your missed calls. I could not record this bug as it does not happen all the time, but it does happen often enough to become a real issue. The second important bug is the fact that you cannot pick up the screen whenever you want, but only after a few seconds, waiting for it first to show the always on display. As you can see, even though I press the power button, nothing happens. The same goes with double tapping on the screen. Also, when the screen finally wakes up and the phone is unlocked, all the notifications are gone and they appear back when the phone is locked again. The third important bug introduced in this version is the low battery pop-up that continues to appear after it was cleared, all along while waking up the screen again and again. Another bug related to this one is that the phone continuously wakes up the screen while charging on the wireless charger. I have noticed it has the same behavior sometimes even when not put on the charger. It simply wakes up the screen from time to time for no reason, draining the battery. Another bug is that some notifications cannot be expanded, even though sometimes it works as it should. An old bug that is still not fixed with the new OxygenOS 13.1 is the Gmail bug, where you don't see the new emails in bold in the Gmail app. So you would have to guess which one is unread and which one isn't. The video recording bug is still present, so the video still stutters a few seconds after you start recording. With so many bugs present on these OnePlus devices, no wonder there is no chance they fix or take user suggestions into consideration, for example related to the brightness of the always-on display, as it simply lights up the whole room during the night. Also, the old always-on display bug is still there, where it turns itself off after a few hours in the dark. Not sure if OnePlus deliberately filled the 9 and 9 Pro software with all these issues to get you to upgrade to the OnePlus 11, but for me, after reporting all the bugs a long while back, and not fixing them, but moreover adding critical day-to-day usage bugs, this is clearly a message to all OnePlus fans that OnePlus does not care about its users, and OxygenOS is not what it used to be up until Android 11. They have made the phone completely unusable, so I really advise to not install this last update if you still care about your phone, and it's time to say goodbye to this brand. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit that like and subscribe buttons to help this channel grow and more OnePlus users can find about these issues. Let me know in the comments about your experience with this new OxygenOS update. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.